Morning. It's Saturday, October 9th, and this morning I have good news. And the good news is on the COVID-19 front. It's about vaccinations. We have been doing a reasonably good job in most parts of this country with getting vaccinated. But there's a major group that has been omitted from this vaccination project, and those are the children ages 5 through 11. In any event, on Thursday, vaccine makers Pfizer and Biontech announced that they have officially submitted a request to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration to authorize their COVID-19 vaccine at a smaller dosage for the children 5 to 11. This is a wonderful, wonderful event. However, we still realize that there will be parents who haven't vaccinated themselves and will probably not want to vaccinate their children. But with this announcement, there's hope that we will reach our goal of getting COVID-19 under control, and the experts are estimating sometime after Thanksgiving we'll know the answer to that question. Certainly help if the parents of the adolescents and the children and take advantage of the new vaccines. Right now, in the 12 to 17-year-old group, only 33% have been vaccinated in the South, whereas 80% of them have been vaccinated in the northern states. So I'm hoping that those parents will react differently in the 5 to 11 age, and then we certainly will get COVID-19 under control. The other piece of wonderful news is the announcement by Merck. Merck has developed an anti-COVID pill, so you don't have to take an injection. So those with a vivid imagination will not have to worry about getting a chip in your arm so that they can track you wherever you go. So Merck has an anti-vaccine pill that will probably be approved shortly. So we will have vaccines and an anti-vaccine pill, and that will prove to be the great blessing, and we will be able to come out from under this cloud that COVID-19 has cast across the country. I'm especially happy about the pill because many who were fighting against vaccines didn't like the idea. Taking a pill should be just like taking an aspirin. I can't imagine why anybody would object to taking a pill. But then there are many in this world who don't believe in medication. They're willing to stand by and hope that God will save their ass. But I'm in favor of taking all the medications you possibly can to stay healthy. And there shouldn't be any problems with taking pills. So hopefully this will be a really great to see any people really objecting to taking a pill. But I'd love to hear what their excuses would be when this pill is available. These two advances, the pill and the vaccine for children, should make this country extremely happy. And this is good news. And while it's not as great as it could possibly be, it's still good news. We are on the right path, so to speak. But we can't afford to let our guard down. We have to keep working and making sure that those who need to be taken care of are taken care of. And we need to desperately try to change the minds of many who have progressed from being absolutely wonderful in this entire situation to just good, because good is not really acceptable. But I believe this is very good news. Very, very important and very, very big step in going in the right direction in this country. I'm hoping that this good news does not make us complacent and does not make us drift away from the goal of getting this evil disease under control. I want to believe that the worst is behind us and that how many technological and medical advances we have made in this period of time is going to carry us forward. And I'm hoping that the pill will change the minds of many, and that will even put us on a better path to regaining our health. And I don't mean our physical health necessarily. I mean our mental health and our thought processes in this country. This pandemic has set everybody's lives back. And maybe not that far back, but it seems that many were set back. Many have not been really mobile for the last 18 months. And then the new work arena has changed many. This hybrid work scheme and the hybrid education scheme, probably not good for everybody, but at least it gives options to certain people. And so that's a mixed blessing. And another blessing is that we're still around, and I'm still around ranting. But let's see if these new medical developments have changed a straight path, and we can celebrate our victory in some way, shape, or form. And I guess the way we would be able to celebrate our victory is on the day when we can look around and see everybody's smiling faces. Because right now, many of our smiles are hidden behind our masks. But I see this as a breakthrough. Pill, vaccinations for kids. That's all good news. So I'm going to leave you with that now, and I'll see you in the morning. Bye.